Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will see the locators XPath. Before that, we will have an introduction to the XPath. XPath is a powerful way to locate elements using the structure of the HTML document. Unlike CSS, XPath allows us to move through the DOM, parent, child, and sibling elements. XPath is especially useful when elements do not have reliable IDs or names, which is common in modern web applications. In Enterprise Edition, XPath is used to build very precise locators for complex scenarios. In the example, if you see, I'm trying to find the login button using the XPath, and the same has been used in our script using By.XPath and the parameter used in for finding that particular element. Here, Selenium uses XPath to locate the email field and also the same way password field, and then clicks on the login button using By.XPath. If we try to run the sample application which we have built, it will try to run and enter the email and password and click on login button. Since we are providing invalid credentials, it is not going to the dashboard page, and whatever we have used by.xpath, it is working as expected. XPath gives you precision when other locators are not enough. In the next video, we will learn about absolute and relative XPath. Thank you.